Hi, I'm Paddy Byrne, and welcome to the inaugural episode of Freefalling Through Canvas Apps. Why Freefalling Through? Because I love skydiving. When I skydive, I throw myself out in the open, I fall, sometimes solo, sometimes with a team, fast, and hopefully with some control. When the time's right, pull myself together, and then I land safely on my feet. That's how it's supposed to go anyway, but that relates directly to how I learn as well. I tend to just go in, I learn better by doing things, I go in, do things, but then try and pull things together at the end and hopefully come off okay. So the past few weeks I've been looking at Canvas apps. I did the App in a Day Labs from Microsoft, and I now am building a easy opportunities management app so that our sales guys have no excuses for not putting in their opportunities and keeping their opportunities up to date, and we can always have a good visibility of their pipeline. So in this first episode, we're going to start right at the very beginning, right at the basics. We're going to open up Power Apps and create an app from a template. We're going to connect it to the common data service. We're going to preview the app, and then we're going to save the app and look at it on a mobile phone. And that's all we're going to do for now. Enjoy.
So let's start right at the very beginning and create our app. To do that, from Office 365, click on Power Apps. We're going to create a Canvas app from an existing template. And the Canvas app's optimised for mobile or tablet data, and we're going to use a mobile phone app. To do that, click Apps, create an app, choose Canvas, and then you get given the option to connect to your data. Notice there's two connectors here, Common Data Service and Dynamics 365. We'll be connecting to Dynamics 365 opportunity data, but that now resides within the Common Data Service. So this Dynamics 365, that's actually legacy, and you shouldn't be using that anymore. All apps going forward should connect to the Common Data Service. Use the Common Data Service connector. So choose Common Data Service and phone layout. We're going to create a new connection because there aren't any already in our list. And then it'll ask us to choose a table. The table we're going to point to is opportunities, because we want to pull back a list of opportunities and then work with opportunities. So search for op, gives us a list of all the entities that include op, and let's select opportunities and click connect. So let's look at what that gives us. In the left navigation here, we can see that we've got three screens: a browse screen, a detail screen, and an edit screen. The browse screen gives us a gallery listing a list of opportunities. It doesn't look like much at the moment, but that is a list of opportunities, and what we'll do is change the content of those list items to be more relevant to our sales guys. Detail screen contains read-only information about the opportunity, and the edit screen allows us to edit the opportunity. And that's actually quite a functional app. It does a lot of the work for us. The Power Apps application does a lot of the work for us there. So let's first look at our browse screen and what that's made up of. The main control on our browse screen is this gallery control here. And we can see that within that gallery control we have separators, the next arrow, and some labels. And those labels link to data in Dynamics 365. This doesn't look like much now, and it certainly wouldn't help our sales guys identify opportunities. So let's click on this fields property of the gallery. This gives a list of the fields that are shown in each of these items: customer pain points, customer need, and current situation. Again, that doesn't help my sales guys identify an opportunity. So what I'll do first just to look at the format of this and to confirm that it is indeed pulling back a list of opportunities, I'm going to select topic for each of these labels. The reason I'm choosing topic is because I know topic is a required field. And so it will contain data. So if we close that down, and it's pulled back a list of all opportunities because by default it gets all opportunities in the dataset. But we can look into our Dynamics 365 for customer engagement instance and look at our opportunities. Now if we pick an opportunity from that list, let's just pick the top one, express interest in A datum X line of printers. We just want to check that that data is correct in our Canvas app. And to preview our app, our Canvas app, we click this preview the app button, little play button in the top right. And we can search for EXP, and there you go, that's our opportunity from the Common Data Service. So if you can see, this is actually quite a functional app straight out of the box if you create it from that template. Let's just remove the search and close the preview. Now before I start editing this any further, I'm going to save and I'm going to publish the app. And the reason I'm going to do that is because I found that the previewing the app in the browser is okay, but it's certainly once you get into searching, filtering and updating records, the app and the browser experience is a bit different from that in the mobile phone. The mobile phone takes a bit longer to load, and sometimes actions don't behave as expected, and it's because we're making this primarily to work on a mobile phone, it's best just to test it on a mobile phone as well. But in order to get it on a mobile phone and get it on your handset, you need to first save, so click File and Save. We'll call our app Easy Opportunity Manager. Let's change it to Opportunities Manager. Click Save. Now that we've saved the app, we can close it and it'll now appear in our list of apps. Clicking on the name or clicking the ellipse and selecting play will run the app. So this is not us previewing the app, this is us actually running the app in a browser for real. So let's have a look and see what that looks like on my handset. So this is my mobile phone screen. I'm going to open the Power Apps app. You can download this from the Android or Apple Store. I'm using Android. I'll sign in. It'll ask me to pick an account. I'm going to pick my trial account. It'll ask you for your login details if you haven't really logged in before with it. And there we can see my Easy Opportunities Manager app. Open it up. I'm just going to make sure that it pulls data in and it behaves as expected. So it just looks at the moment exactly the same as the app when we run it in our web browser. Okay.
That's all from me on the first episode of Freefalling Through Canvas Apps. Hope you enjoyed it. Next episode we'll be putting some relevant data into those gallery items. We'll be looking at formatting currency fields, pulling data from related entities through to those items, and formatting data fields. That's all from me. Bye.